I decided to attend college boot camp because I wanted firsthand learning and experience what it would be like to actually be a student there. I also wanted to learn more about four-year colleges, kind of see what's around the area. I kind of don't know what I want to do after high school and I don't know many options. So I was like, you know what, let me just join and see what happens.
I'm a first-generation student. My parents never graduated from college and I didn't know where to go to find out a lot of the technical stuff. And I think this program really helped out with that.
What I found most beneficial is being able to go to the colleges themselves and then being able to talk with the people there, figure out financial aid, all those things. Being able to talk with people has made it so I can discuss more affordable option and get a good education for a reasonable price.
The most helpful part probably was getting help from English teachers to review our essays that we started.
What was most helpful for me was definitely the workshops and different college panels as well, getting to hear more input from staff and faculty at the colleges that I potentially wanted to apply to.
Every time we got to a new school, we got to take notes. They give us papers and presentations and everything actually, so we learned a lot.
Taking personality tests and figuring stuff out about yourself to see how you are as a person and see if you would fit in with a school.
Seeing actual students' transcripts and going through them, seeing what their essays look like.
I feel really informed and honestly I've learned so much that I didn't know before. Websites and simple brochures of the universities and colleges itself, they don't really give you what it feels like to go to it.
It exceeded my expectations because they provided us with so much information that I couldn't have got at home.
If you were confused like I was, or you just need a pointer, I would say do it. You may find the college that you want to go to, just like I did.
We got to speak to so many different people, got to connect with alumni and even people that used to go here and now are successful in their fields. And it's really encouraging to see that that could be me as well. And that there's so much opportunity for us as students now and we just have to take it.